Hello everybody. So basic proportional theorem I am going to discuss again. See, according to the basic proportional theorem, ABC is a triangle and PQ is the line which is parallel to one of the side. Then this intersect the other two side and divide in two equal ratio. Means AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC. So AP over PB, whatever is the ratio we are taking here, same on this side. See now, in this one, if we add 1 both the side, AP over PB plus 1 is equal to AQ over QC plus 1. Just we can add 1 both the side. 1 दोनों side में add करिए. What you will get is here AP plus PB over PB is equal to AQ plus QC over QC. But this AP plus PB, this can be written as AB over PB as it is. Similarly, this side AQ plus QC, you can write down AC over QC. So this is another ratio you are getting. Means if this line is parallel to one of the side, then the ratio AB over PB is equal to, means whatever the ratio you are taking here, अगर आप यहाँ AB over PB ले रहे हैं, means we are taking this whole side AB over PB, then you are supposed to take here is also AC over QC. Similarly, this is your second, you can say. So whatever is the ratio you are taking, same you are supposed to take here. For instance, suppose you can take like here, you can write down AB over AP is equal to AB over AP is equal to, means we are taking AB then AP. So here similarly we will take AC over AQ. जो relation ratio हम इस side लेंगे, we will take same relation, same ratio on the other side is also. Here is the most important point is here, the concept which I want to discuss. See now, if you are taking in these two, you are taking AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC. This is the BPT is there, but this is not equal to PQ over BC. The important point is here we are taking AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC, but it cannot be equal to PQ over BC because अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो here you are getting two triangles. One triangle is APQ, another is ABC. APQ, another is here ABC. These are the two triangles. So if you want to include this PQ and BC side, means you want to write something is equal to PQ over BC. In that case, you are supposed to take the complete side of both the triangle. आपको पूरे triangle की side लेनी पड़ेगी. जैसे for example you want to include PQ over this BC, तो कैसे लेंगे? AP over AB. AP is the side of this triangle. AB is the side of this one. Is equal to AQ over AC. Then it will be equal to PQ because AP and AQ you are taking in the numerator for this triangle and AB over AC we are taking in this one. So AP and AQ from the triangle APQ, it means PQ must come in the numerator. So then you can write down PQ over BC. This is there. So means what exactly I want to say, whatever the ratio you are taking this side, same ratio you are supposed to take this side is there. Here is for instance like here you can write down PB over AP is equal to, similarly here you are supposed to take QC over AQ. Means whatever is the ratio you are taking this side, same you are supposed to take another side is there only. See one more point. In case here is you want to take like, you can take PB over AB, also you can take like this one PB over AB, then QC over AC, means whatever is the ratio, जो ratio हम इधर लेंगे, same ratio we will take this side is also. So have a look. Yes, now the converse of the Hill's theorem, converse of the BPT you can say. What is the converse of the BPT? Converse of the BPT says, then ABC is a triangle and one of the line L which is parallel to, which is going to, just already given, line is parallel to the third side, same ratio means the divide any two sides. This is the line L which is dividing this AB and AC at intersecting 2 points and dividing equal ratio, means AD over DB is equal to AE over AC. This is already given. This is already given. AD over DB is equal to AE over AC. We are supposed to prove that this line DE is parallel to BC. So, if a line divide any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Then this line will be parallel to this one that we want to prove. In the BPT we were discussing, it was already given that this DE line parallel to BC, then we were saying AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Now, this is already given, AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. We are supposed to prove that this is the side line is parallel to BC. See now. So the information which is given here only you can write down. There is a triangle ABC and a line L intersecting AB. This is the line which is intersecting AB at D, at AC, at E. And this is also given, AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. We want to prove that this line is parallel to, this DE is parallel to BC. Now this is the important point is here. If possible, DE is not parallel to BC. Suppose this DE is not parallel to BC. If this side DE is not parallel to BC, it means we can draw another line which is maybe parallel to this BC. अगर ये DE line BC के parallel नहीं है, तो we can draw another line is there which will be parallel to this BC. So there must be another line through D parallel to BC, let DF. This is we assumed. This is we assumed. Then this is the line DF is parallel to BC. Now, if this DF is parallel to BC, so by the BPT, see, in triangle ABC, this DF is parallel to BC. This is already we are already assumed. It means what you can say, then AD over DB will be equal to AF over FC. This is by BPT, by the basic proportional theorem. This is already, we know that. But see now, but this AD over DB is already given here only. But AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. This is already given. This is already given. So from this equation 1 and 2, what we can say? AD over DB is equal to this one, AD over DB is equal to this one, then you can say AF over FC is equal to this one. So you can say AF over FC is equal to AE over EC. This is we are getting from equation 1 and 2. See now. Now same operation you can do both the side. हम 1 ऐड कर सकते हैं दोनों साइड में. So if you are going to add 1 both the side, AF over FC plus 1 is equal to AE over AC plus 1. So here you will get AF plus FC, AF plus FC over FC, and this is also AE plus EC over EC. Now look at here. देखिए, AF plus FC, AF plus FC can be written as AC. So this is AC over FC is equal to. Similarly, here is AE plus EC is also equal to AC over EC. So from here you are getting AC over FC is equal to AC over EC. It means you can say, look at here now, from here you can say then FC is equal to EC. FC is equal to EC because this AC and AC you can cancel. So FC is equal to EC. Now what we are saying? We are saying FC is equal to EC. But this FC is equal to EC is not possible until unless the point F and E are going to coincide. ये FC EC के बराबर नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि ये दोनों पॉइंट F and E must be coincide. It means they must be F and E must be coincide to satisfy this one, but they are not going to coincide here only. It means this DF is not parallel to BC. It means DE is parallel to BC. So that is the contradiction you can see. The fact. So you can say, therefore you can say, so you can say this DE is parallel to BC. So finally what exactly we are getting कि किसी भी triangle में अगर one of the line is dividing the two side in equal ratio means AD over DB is equal to AE over EC, then we can say that line will be parallel to the third side. That line will be parallel to the third side. This is the converse of BPT. Have a look. Okay, now one question we are taking, there is a triangle ABC and in this figure LM is parallel to AB. This is already given parallel. This is already given in a parallel. And the information is given, this AL is x minus 3. This is your x minus 3. AC is 2x. This is AC is 2x. BM is x minus 2. And BC is, this BC is 2x plus 3. We are supposed to find the value of x. So look at here now. So in triangle ABC, this is already we are given, LM is parallel to AB. ये हमको already given है. It means you can apply the BPTs here. This is parallel to this one. So you can take the ratio of this side. Just as you can say AL because you know the AL and AC. So here you can say AL over AC. AL over AC is equal to whatever the ratio you are taking this side, जो भी हम यहाँ ले रहे हैं, same we will take. So AL we are taking. So here we will take BM over BC. BM over BC, and this is by basic proportionality theorem. Now you can put the value of AL, this AC, BM, and BC, and you can solve it. So AL is your x minus 3 over AC is 2x is equal to BM is x minus 2 and this is your 2x plus 3. You can do the cross multiplication. So you will get x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x into x minus 2. Solve it. 2x into this is minus 6x plus 3x minus 9. This is your 2x square minus 4x. So this 2x square and this one you can cancel. And you can transpose this minus 4x on this side and this minus 9 on that side. So here is minus 6x plus 3x, you are getting minus 3x, minus 9 is equal to minus 4x. Now you can transpose. So what you will get is here minus 3x plus 4x. You are going to transpose. So is equal to plus 9. So x is equal to 9. So therefore the value of x is 9, which you want to find out. We want to find the value of x is there. So directly we can apply the BPTs there. Agar in any triangle one of the side is parallel to the another side, then you can see that whatever the ratio you are taking this side, same should be here by the BPT. Have a look. Yes. Now this is already been discussed, but to refresh your memory again, I am going to revise this one. This is already been discussed in BPT. In any triangle ABC, one of the side, this like we are saying this PQ is parallel to BC, then this PQ will intersect the other two sides into distinct point and divide in equal ratio. That is AP over PB will be equal to AQ over QC. Similarly, this is already we discussed कि whatever the ratio, जो ratio हम कर लेंगे same वही. अगर you want to take AP over AB, then here you will take AQ over AC. You want to take AB over PB, then here is AC over QC. जो ratio इधर लेंगे same ratio we will take this one. Converse is also discussed कि in case if AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC है, then the PQ is parallel to BC. AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC, then you can say PQ is parallel to BC. Or AP over AB is equal to AQ over AC, then also you can. In the same triangle as here. And this is the already we discussed, but in addition to this, something more I want to tell you, that's why. This is already we discussed, that any two triangles will be the similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Or you can say, if their corresponding angles are equal, you can declare both the triangles are the similar. Two sides ratio and the included angle is there, triangle will be the similar. Or the ratio of the three sides, corresponding sides are equal, then you can say the triangle are similar. But here is one more point I want to add is here. In case, if the triangle are similar, this is similar to this one is already given, then the ratio of their corresponding side will be equal. So ratio of the corresponding side is not only equal, but that is also equal to the ratio of their perimeter will also be the equal to their corresponding sides. So AB plus BC plus AC will be equal to PQ plus QR plus PR. अगर कोई भी दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हैं, तो the ratio of their corresponding sides is also equal to the ratio of their perimeter. This is your perimeter of triangle ABC, and this is the perimeter of triangle PQR. This is ABC. So once the triangle are similar, अगर कोई भी दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हैं तो उनकी साइड का रेशियो उनके पेरीमीटर के रेशियो के बराबर भी होता है. यस, हैव अ लुक. Yes. Now the question I am taking, with the help of this question we will try to understand exactly the geometry is there. The information is given in this question. There is a figure, triangle is given ABC and angle B is already given 90 degree, and this BM is perpendicular on AC. We want to prove that AB square is equal to, this side AB square is equal to AM into AC. Now important point is here only, what we should do so we can get this one. This is the very important point is here only. पहले हम ये समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि हम इसमें क्या करें, so you can get this one is there. Various cases are there, later on I'll discuss, but right now I'm giving the emphasis on this particular question. See, first of all we will try to understand what exactly we should do so we can get this one, AM into AC. So one way is there only, the whatever is given here only, it can be written as like AB into AB is equal to AM into AC. This you can write down is here only. See, here it means AB square can be written as this one is there. So this you can get, how can you get this one? थोड़ा सा हमको एक आइडिया लग रहा है कि if we make the any two triangles are similar and if then we take the ratio of the corresponding side, then after the cross multiplication we can get this one. हमें ये मिल सकता है. But how come to know and which triangles we are supposed to make a similar? तो उसका जो concept है, the technique is there, trick is there. You can say that this is trick is, what we will do, you are supposed to write down one of the line segment under another line segment is here. Like this can be written as AB over AM. And this one more AB you can write down AC over AB. This is the way to know which triangle we are supposed to make the similar. इस तरह से हम ये पता कर लेते हैं कौन से दो triangle हम similar करें. So this A is common, so you can see one of the triangle you are getting is ABM. ABM. Here is another is ACB. ACB. It means if we proved this triangle similar to this one. Then after that we can get, taking the ratio, we can get this one. Now one important point in geometry. हम जो भी प्रूव करते हैं, every information will be given. हमको केवल और केवल only one, केवल एक, rest of the information is already will be given in a question. सभी information question में given होता है. Just go through, read the question very carefully again and again. उसी में आपको पता चलने लगेगा what we should do. केवल एक चीज सर्च करना पड़ता. Only one thing is here. You can understand that. I am giving the solution, then you can understand. So the information is given here only. The triangle ABC. Angle B is already given 90 and BM, you can say this is, you can write on in given you can write on, and BM is perpendicular on AC. This is the information is already given. Now we want to prove AB square is equal to EM into AC. Now the proof is there. If any construction you need, you can write the construction, but यहाँ कुछ नहीं करना है. Here is there. See, so this is already, we know that we are supposed to make these two triangles are similar anyhow. See, look at here. So you must write down the triangle which you want to make the similar. उसको यहाँ लिखिए, in triangle ABM and triangle ACB. See now. So if you want to make the two triangles are similar, three conditions already we discussed. हमने तीन कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस किया था. वन इज any two angles are equal, then you can declare both the triangle will be the similar. Second, we discuss ratio of two corresponding sides and included angle is equal. Angle is equal. Then also you can declare they are the similar. Third is the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then also you can declare both the triangle are the similar. These are the 3 points. Is already we discussed to make it. Now in these two triangle we want to make the similar triangle ABM and ACB. This is already I told you. इसमें हमको सभी इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है, केवल एक सर्च करना है, only one. Look at here, what is the information is given here? In this triangle AMB, angle this M, angle AMB is already given 90, and this is also equal to angle ABC. So this is one angle is already given. This is the information is already given. Now you want to make the triangle other similar. So you are supposed to search only one. क्या? या तो मैं ये search करूं, the ratio one more angle is equal. So if two angles are equal, you can declare both the triangle are similar. Yeah, one angle is already given here. We are supposed to take the ratio there. So only one thing. तो यहाँ देखिए, only one angle is given equal. एक triangle search करो. Look at here. देखिए, in triangle AMB and ABC, 90-90, and this is angle is common. Angle A is common in both the triangles, and this is already we discussed. If any two angles in any two triangles are equal, you can declare both the triangles are the similar. And so by these two, you can say both the triangles are similar. अगर आप देखें तो ये third angle of this triangle one will be equal to this one. For the old convenience, I am writing here only because later on I will take the ratio of the corresponding side is there. So here you can declare, therefore you can say the triangle ABM similar to triangle ACB by AA similarity. You can say like this is. Now you want to take the ratio of their corresponding side. This is already been proved, they are similar. Now, but you want this one. हमको क्या चाहिए? ये. We want this one. It means you are supposed to take the ratio of the corresponding side. So this is already we discussed. ये भी मैंने point discuss किया था कि in once the triangle, any two triangle are similar. For instance, you are taking the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Suppose, and angle A is given equal to angle Q, B is given angle P, C is given equal to angle R. Then you want to take the ratio of the corresponding side. Equal angle. Equal angles, opposite side ratio will be equal. This is already we discussed. So same property we will apply here. Look at here now. So we can start from this small triangle. So this 90 angle, this is opposite side is AB. This is equal to this 90, that is opposite side is AC in bigger triangle. AC is equal to, now this angle is common in a smaller one, this side BM. For the bigger one, this angle opposite side is BC is equal to, now third angle, this angle 1 opposite side is AM over 2 opposite side is in bigger one AB. Because यहाँ पर if you want to write, you can write on here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You can give the region third angle because two angles are equal, so automatically third angle will also be equal. But after this, just see. Now take these two. Take these two. So what you will get is here. So this is AB over AC, which is we required that we will take AM over AB. You can do the cross multiplication. So AB into AB is equal to AM into AC. So therefore you can say AB square is equal to AM into AC, which you want to prove. This is your proof is there. So have a look. Okay. Now one more question I am taking. The internal bisect of an angle of a triangle divide the opposite side internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. What is saying? There is a question ABC. AD is the bisector which is going to bisect this internal angle A. Then he is saying the ratio of this AB, this side, this angle A is formed by these two consecutive sides. So ratio of this AB over AC will be equal to, this is the AD is the bisector of this one, the bisector of this angle A, that will be equal to BD over BC. Means the internal bisector of angle of a triangle divide the opposite side internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angles. So we want to prove AB over AC is equal to BD over DC. This is already given. AD is the bisector, so angle A 1 is equal to angle 2 will be there. See, we want to prove this one. We want to prove here. So here you need a construction. In a construction, what we will do? We are supposed to draw a line which is parallel to this AD. Let's suppose this is your side. You can take is CP, which is parallel to this AD, and we are going to extend this BA, which is going to intersect this point P. So here is the CP is parallel to BA extend. We are going to extend this side BA is there, which is going to intersect this point. See, now see the proof is here. First of all, for the old convenience, I am giving the, here is, this is angle 3 I am saying, and I am saying this is angle is 4. See now, this AD side is parallel to this PC, and this AC is working as a transversal. You can say this AD is parallel to PC and AC is a transversal line. So therefore you can say angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. That is alternate interior angles. So you can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. See, similarly, this line AD is parallel to this PC, and see now this is as a transversal. You can extend this one, like this is your transversal. So this angle 1 will also be equal to angle 4. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. You can say angle 1 is equal to angle 4. The corresponding angles, they are equal. Because look at here, this line is parallel to this one, and this is working as a transversal. If you can extend for the own convenience, yes, likewise. So this is a transversal, so this angle will be equal to this one is there only. See, but angle 1 is equal to 2 is already given, but angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So therefore, you can say angle 3 will be also equal to angle 4, because angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And if angle 3 is equal to angle 4, if 3 is equal to angle 4, then you can say this side AP will be equal to AC. AP will be equal to AC, because equal angles, opposite sides are equal. This is already we know that if the two angles are equal, then the side this AP, opposite side will also AP will be equal to AC. Now look at here, I'm going to drop it this one here. See now. So finally we get this AP is equal to AC. Now you can take in triangle BCP. Now in triangle BCP, and this DA is already parallel to CP. This is parallel to this one. So now you can apply BPTs here. So you can say AB over AP. So therefore, AB over AP will be equal to BD, because whatever the ratio you are taking, look at here now. जो यहाँ ratio लेंगे, same we will take here, because this is the line which is parallel to this one. So AB over AP will be equal to BD over DC. This is your BD over DC, and this is by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. But look at here. But AP is equal to AC is already be proved here only. Is equal to AC. So in place of AP you can write down, but AP is equal to AC. So therefore you can say AB over AC is equal to BD over DC, which we want to prove. So have a look.